Because of the developing prevalence of huge cryptographic forms of money, for example, Bitcoin and Ethereum, we frequently don't focus on other computerized resources. Be that as it may, some of them might be more solid and productive. Such a model is the Iota digital money. In this video, find the most recent Iota cost expectations, the possibilities, and the trademark elements of this cryptographic money. Iota has a rich history brimming with highs and lows, so we composed an exceptional video on what is Iota. Iota Tangle doesn't follow a straight line chain, and that is the means by which it really contrasts from the blockchain. Be that as it may, the completely decentralized stage follows the peer-to-peer, shared, convention. The DAG, coordinated non-cyclic chart, innovation was utilized for its turn of events. What are the highlights of Iota? Above all else, the engineers deserted the natural yet weighty blockchain for Tangle's one-of-a-kind innovation. On the off chance that blockchain innovation is a consecutive chain of blocks, and any branches are viewed as forks, then Tangle is an expanded framework that is continually developing every which way. This innovation of Tangle goes about as an arrangement of hubs wherein each new exchange affirms two past ones. In any case, we should continue on toward the subject of the Web of Things and, in the end, to Iota cost expectations. Iota is an organization of gadgets associated with the web and furnished with electronic chips for information transmission and handling. What does it resemble practically speaking? For instance, the cooler naturally thaws out when you press a button on your cell phone. Essentially, a wellness tracker estimates the physiological boundaries of your body during an exercise and sends reports to your iPhone. The vast majority of the current advances with the prefix brilliant have a place with the classification of Iota. Iota value history. In the fall of 2017, the Iota establishment the executives reported plans to foster specific processors for Iota that could cycle huge number of exchanges all the while. Microsoft has quickly become inspired by this task. When the organizations consented to a collaboration arrangement, the cost of Iota expanded by 44% in a day. In December, the worth arrived at a noteworthy high of $5.69. In 2020, the cost of Iota had two pinnacles, coming to 34 cents in February and ascending to 40 cents in August. Toward the start of 2021, there was an inversion of the cryptographic money market from a bullish pattern to a negative one. Subsequently, a solid pullback of the Iota, Miota, cost to $1.5 happened. In June 2021, the coin showed up on the crypto market at the pace of 63 cents. However, Iota financial backers were in no rush to show their certainty. Consequently, the Miota value dropped to 43 cents in 3 days and kept on falling further. Also, what might be said about Iota value forecasts and cost changes? Iota value expectation. Presently, we should find out about the new history of Iota cost expectations from the most famous stages. With the Web of Things turning out to be progressively strong, numerous crypto experts predict likely development for the Miota cost. In any case, cryptographic forms of money are famously unpredictable, and Miota is no exemption. So assuming that you're thinking about adding the resource for your portfolio, it's vital to do your own exploration to keep steady over the digital money patterns. Iota Value Expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of Iota costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Iota will be $0.34997. The most extreme level that the Miota cost can reach is $0.37996. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.35996. Miota value estimate for September 2022. In view of the value vacillations of Iota toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Miota pace of $0.32997 in September 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0.29997 and at $0.33997, individually. October 2022, Iota value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their gauge for the Miota cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.31997, while the greatest could reach $0.34997 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Iota may be around $0.32997. Miota value estimate for November 2022. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value variances of Iota in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Miota rate they foresee may be around $0.34997 in November 2022. It can drop to $0.33997 as a base. The greatest worth may be $0.36996. December 2022, Iota value estimate. Around mid-year 2022, the Miota cost will be exchanged at $0.35996 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Iota worth to $0.37996. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.34997 in December 2022. Iota value expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Iota in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Iota will be around $0.50995. The greatest expected Miota cost might be around $0.60994. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0.52995 in 2023. Iota value expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Iota, in 2024, Miota is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $0.71993 and $0.86991, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0.73993. Iota value forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have dissected the costs of Iota and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base Miota cost could drop to $1.0399, while its greatest can reach $1.23988. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $1.07989. Iota value expectation 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Iota by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least Miota costs are normal in 2026, $1.81982 and $1.54985. By and large, it will be exchanged at $1.59984. Iota value forecast 2027. Crypto